How about this? Universal is resuming the construction of what they're calling Epic Universe Park in Florida. Speaking of fun and colorful things, construction was halted in July due to the coronavirus pandemic. The park will be on a 750-acre plot of land, a few miles from the existing resort. And I don't know if that image is accurate. It's a concept rendering, but wow, that looks like what a wild time that looks like. Mm-hmm. Water, fireworks, hotel. What do you think, Will? Could you?
Oh yeah, this is a good time.
You could spend a few minutes there. Apparently, the reason for this, they're trying to get people to extend their stay when they come to Florida, have even more things to do instead of like a 3-day trip. They want to see a week-long trip, so you would actually go between the different resorts because, of course, they have the Universal Studios. They have more than I thought, actually. Apparently, what is it? They have like 4 different parks over there. I went to Universal Studios when I was a youngster. You know, that's my recollection.
Okay. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a great time, man.
Okay.
I think, was it the Hulk? Was that the roller coaster at the time? It launched you out? I don't remember, actually. Maybe you can find it. Somebody's going to remind me right now. The restart of construction of Epic Universe is a terrific moment for our employees and for our theme park business in Florida. It is our single largest investment in the state and represents our enthusiasm for the spectacular park and the economic opportunities it will generate. Is that at Universal Studios? The Incredible Hulk coaster? Where is that? I feel like I went on that, but I mean, I might be crazy. Maybe I saw a clip. Does it launch you?
You saw a clip?
Does it launch you out of?
A cave?
Do you launch out of a cave into full speed? I'm trying. I don't see a cave there. Maybe I'm. Oh, yes, that's it. Yep, you launch out of that thing on the left.
Okay.
I believe, unless that's a tunnel, I think you launch, man.
Yeah.
Anyway. So this is going to create another bunch of jobs. I know you love that, Will.
Uh-huh.
They will hire an additional 14,000 workers. These theme parks take a lot of people to operate, including professional, technical, and culinary staff. 750 acres is the new thing. Epic Universe will infuse billions of dollars into Florida's economy. Typically takes 4 years to build a full-scale theme park. So, they're saying they may leverage the Universal properties such as Minions, Classic Monsters, and even Nintendo.
Oh.
So you could see some themes from those properties right there.
Great.
We were waiting for that one in Japan, the Mario World one, to open up. That thing looked bananas.
Yeah, it was so colorful.
And it looked so realistic. Well, that's a weird thing to say. I mean, it looked like the video game in real life.
It does.
The lighting and the shadows and stuff. But I think the opening of this was delayed as well. It looks like it's crazy, man. What a time. I wouldn't mind checking that one out.